was a test person coming out there about to ascend. Very When storming night long ago, 5 people stepped into the The door is open once again, this time.